I know it is nothing how it really looks in real life, but it looks pink out here. Like, you can see how the sky is very pink. But just like, you know how sometimes when it's really, really weird weather and everything looks yellow outside, I think they said like sometimes that's tornado weather. It's pink out here. Like, you can't tell on the camera, but just the silhouette of the coloring out here, it's pink. It's so crazy. The sky is gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, it's because of the hurricane coming, but we're gonna be okay. We didn't get it head on or anything. It's not pink out here anymore, but see, you can kind of see, like on the boat and everything, it's just like a pink silhouette on everything. It's so awesome. I'm glad I could get it somewhat on camera. See, the light kind of changes, and then you can kind of see the pink silhouette until before it, you know, focuses back. Very cool. Beautiful, beautiful.